Today, we will know about the various government systems of the world. Children, do you know what the government is? Government is a power which governs the country. There are different types of government and administrative systems in the world. In the older days, the king ruled and framed laws with the help of his courtiers. After the death of king, his son was crowned. The common man had no role in making or implementing the laws. It is called the dynasty. Even today, there is dynasty in the country Brunei and Qatar. There is democracy in our country. Democracy means rule of the people. In democracy, people participate in the system of government in any form. People elect their representative by casting votes. Elected representatives make the laws. Today, in most of the countries of the world, like India, USA, France, etc., have democratic system of government. The minimum age to vote in India is 18 years. India is the largest democracy in the world. There is another governance system, that is military rule. In this system, government is governed by army. For a long time, Pakistan and Myanmar had military rule. In some countries of the world, one person had all the powers of the government which were executed as he or she desires. Such type of system is called dictatorship. Hitler in Germany, Mussolini in Italy, and Saddam Hussein in Iraq were dictators. How does the government work in democracy? Generally, there are three parts of the government: legislative, which forms laws, executive, which executes the laws, and judiciary, which works for justice. Government executes all the policies for the welfare of the citizens with the help of them. Government has powers to rule by the constitution. Now you will think, what is constitution? As you play football or cricket, etc., there are rules in them. Like that, rules and regulations are also required to run any government. There is a book of rules and regulations called the Constitution. Constitution of India was implemented on 26th January 1950. Since then, we celebrate it every year in the form of Republic Day. Constitution of India is the largest written constitution of the world. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first president of India, was the chairman of the Constitution Committee. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is called the father of constitution as he was the chairman of drafting committee. People of our country has equal rights as per the constitution. The first citizen of India is the president of India. That's all for today. We'll meet you guys in the next video.